Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm thrilled to have you here today. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a powerful and highly effective signal trading strategy that could take your trading game to the next level. Whether you're new to trading or an experienced investor, this strategy is designed to enhance your approach and help you make more informed decisions. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into today's trading insights. First, set your chart time frame to 15 minutes. Once that's done, go ahead and search for the zero lag indicator. Add it to your chart, and this will help us get smooth, reliable signals for our strategy. With the right setup, we'll be ready to dive into the details of this powerful trading method. Now that we have our chart set up with the zero lag indicator, let's walk through how to place a buy trade. Look for the indicator to show a clear buy signal. This typically happens when the trend aligns with your entry point. Once you see that, you can confidently place your buy order. I'll guide you through the exact steps, so don't worry if you're new to this. Now, let's go over how to place a sell trade. Just like with the buy trade, pay attention to the zero lag indicator for a clear sell signal. Typically, this will happen when the market shows signs of a downtrend and the indicator confirms it. Once you spot the signal, go ahead and place your sell order. I'll guide you through the steps so you're confident in executing your trade. Now that we've covered how to place both buy and sell trades, it's time to backtest and demonstrate this strategy in action. I'll walk you through the process of testing these trades on historical data so you can see how effective this strategy is over time. Let's run the backtest and analyze the results together so you can see how this strategy performs under different market conditions.